Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WooCommerce video series. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a side cart on your WooCommerce website using a free plugin. Let me show you an example. Here, I'm on the demo WooCommerce website, and in the bottom right hand corner, you will see a floating cart icon. If I click on it, it is going to open a side cart automatically. Currently, we do not have any product in the side cart. So let's close it and let's add a product in the cart. I'm going to add one product here. And you will see that the side cart is opened automatically. Here you will see the product that you have added to the cart. And in the left hand column, you will see upsell and cross-sell products. So you can add upsell and cross-sell products in the side cart. Here you will see discount coupon code option. If you have coupon codes on your WooCommerce website, customer will be able to add the coupon code here and they can apply the coupons directly from the side cart. Below that, you will see special add-on products. If they want to buy this product, they can check this option and it will add that product automatically. Below that, we have subtotal and continue shopping button. If I click on it, it is going to close the side cart. At the top, you will see rewards option and I have set up a free gift on a purchase of $500. So you will see a message here, add items worth $350 more to unlock a special gift. So I'm going to close this cart and I'm going to add more products. Let's add this product. Now we have $300. Close it. Let's add one more product. Now we have $430 in the cart and I'm going to increase the quantity here. If I make it 2, you will see the total cart value is now $580, which is more than $500, and a free gift is added automatically to the cart. You will see a message here. Congrats, you have unlocked all the rewards and this is the free gift that I have added. You will see that the price of this product is now $0 and the user will get this product as a free gift. So in the side cart, you can add rewards, you can also add special add-ons, you can add upsell and cross-sell products. If I click on checkout, it will go to the checkout page and you will see all the products on the checkout page. And to add the side cart on the WooCommerce website, we are going to use this sliding cart for WooCommerce by FunnelKit. This is the free version of the plugin and you can see that this plugin has been installed on more than 30,000 WordPress websites. This plugin also has the pro version. So I'm going to start with the free plugin and later I'm going to install the pro version and I'll show you what is the difference between the free and the pro version of this plugin. So let's see how we can add a side cart on the WooCommerce website using a free plugin.
Subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel for easy tutorials on AI tools, AI agents, WordPress, web design, automation, Elementor, WooCommerce, and more. Press the bell icon and stay updated with every new video.
So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website. This is a demo WooCommerce website and now we are going to install a free WooCommerce Side Cart plugin. This is the plugin that we are going to install. Sliding cart for WooCommerce by FunnelKit. Let me copy the name. Let's go to dashboard and go to plugins and click on add new plugin. And here search for the same plugin. Sliding cart for WooCommerce by FunnelKit. So you will see the plugin here. This plugin has been installed on more than 30,000 WordPress websites. So let's click on install now. This is the free version of the plugin. We are going to start with the free version. Click on activate plugin. Alright, so the plugin is installed and it is activated. In the left hand panel, you will see the option FunnelKit. If you move the cursor on it, you will see many different options and here you will see an option cart. On this demo WooCommerce website, I have already installed the FunnelKit Funnel Builder plugin. Using this plugin, you can create sales funnel on your WooCommerce website. I have a separate video tutorial on how to use the FunnelKit Funnel Builder plugin on a WooCommerce website. If you want to watch that video, I'll give you the link in the description box. So let's go to FunnelKit and go to cart and you will be on the settings page for the cart plugin. At the top, you will see enable cart. It is not enabled right now. I'm going to click on enable. These are the basic settings. The icon visibility, it is set to entire website. So in the bottom right hand corner, there will be a cart icon and that will be shown on the entire website. If you want to display the icon only on the WooCommerce pages, you can select WooCommerce pages. I'm going to select entire website. Then we have icon position, which is set to bottom right hand corner. Cart heading is set to review your cart. You will see the cart heading here. This is a preview. This is how the cart will look and this is the title here. If you do not want to display the cart icon, you can hide the cart icon. Below that we have Ajax add to cart, which is enabled. Auto open side cart, which is also enabled. Auto open the side cart once the product is added to the cart. So whenever someone adds the product to the cart, it is going to open the side cart automatically. If you do not want that, you can disable that option. Enable coupon box, which is already enabled. Here you will see the coupon box at the bottom. And this is the box setting, get a discount code. You will see it here. If you want to customize these labels, you can customize all these labels from the settings. Below that you will see discount box placeholder text, which is set to coupon code. Here you will see the placeholder text and the discount box button text is applied. So if you have coupons on your website, user will be able to enter the coupon code here and they can apply the coupon. Then we have cart summary, show subtotal, show a regular price, display savings and savings text. You will see subtotal here. This is the coupon amount and shipping and tax may recalculate it at the checkout. If there is any saving, it will show that. Here you will see save 10%. Then we have shipping text. Here you will see the shipping text. Enable the button icon, which is already enabled. Enable cart price. If I enable it, you will see a cart price is there. It has added the price automatically to the button. Then we have checkout button text. This is the button text checkout. Enable continue shopping link. If I enable it, you will see it here. Continue shopping. Right, and behavior is set to close side cart and redirect to shop. So if someone clicks on it, it is going to close that side cart, and the other option is redirect to the shop page. Right, it is set to close side cart. When there is no product in the cart, it is going to show these titles. Your cart is empty, fill your cart with amazing items. Then we have shop now. Link behavior is set to close side cart. All right, I'm going to save these settings. Let's go to the website and let's refresh it. All right, I have one product in the cart. In the bottom right hand corner, you will see the cart icon. If I click on it, it is going to open that side cart. Here you will see the discount coupon option, subtotal. This is the shipping text. This is the button, and here you will see continue shopping. If I click on it, it is going to close the side cart. Let me remove the product from the cart and you will see the empty cart label. Review your cart. Your cart is empty. Fill your cart with amazing items. Click on shop now and it is going to close the side cart. So you will see all these empty cart settings here. All right. So these are the basic settings. Here in the left hand side, you will see express checkout. If you want, you can activate the express checkout. Add express payment options such as Apple Pay and Google Pay via Stripe. So if you have Stripe payment gateway, you can enable the Apple Pay and Google Pay express checkout. Below that you will see upsells. Upsells is available for the pro version of the plugin. Rewards is also available for the pro version, and special add-ons also needs the pro version of the plugin. Later I'll install the pro version and I'll show you how does this work. Then we have styling option. These are the style settings. You can change the button color, button text color, primary text color, secondary text color, strike through price. You will see this here, strike through price. Then we have saving text color. You will see this color here. So all the colors you can change from this page. This is the icon color, icon background color, and count background color. If I go back here, you will see the count here, and this is the count background color, and this is the icon color. Let's change it. Let's try using yellow color, and this one let's make it dark blue. Right, let's save the settings. Let's go back, refresh it, and you will see the change in the colors. All right, so it is fully customizable side cart. You can change the style settings. Below the styling, we have cart menu. Let's enable the cart menu. If you want to add the cart in the menu, you can enable this option. And if you want to use the cart menu, you can copy this shortcode and put it in the header section. Right, so I'm going to disable it for now. Click on save. All right, so these are the basic settings. Let's go back to website and let's add one product to the cart. Let's add this one, and as soon as I add the product to the cart, it has opened the side cart automatically. Right, let's click on continue shopping. Let's add one more product. You will see now we have two products. I can increase the quantity. Let's close it. Let's try one more product. And you will see now we have 4 products in the cart. This is the subtotal. If you have discount coupon code, you can enter the discount coupon code here and apply it. Let's go to the website. Let's go to marketing, and here we have coupons option. This is the basic WooCommerce coupon. I'm going to add one coupon here. Let's say off 20 and 20% discount. This is the coupon code. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to add percentage discount of 20%. Usage restrictions and usage limit, I'm going to keep it as it is. I have a separate video on how to create coupons. Click on publish. We have this coupon now. Let's go to cart. I'm going to apply this coupon and you will see now we have 20% discount. So this is how the coupon works inside the side cart. Let's click on checkout and it will redirect the customer to the checkout page. All right, let's go back. Let's go back to dashboard. Let's go to FunnelKit and go to cart. Now let's go to styling settings. This is the background color. Let's change the background color. Let's make it slightly green and save it. Let's go back, refresh it. And if I open it, you will see the change in the color. So this is how you can install a free plugin and add a side cart to your WooCommerce website. Now I do have the pro version of this plugin installed and I'm going to show you the pro features of this plugin. If you want to buy the pro version of the plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. The price of the pro version is only $99 per year for a single website. Here you will see all the features of the pro version. And it is not only for the side cart. If you go for the pro version of the FunnelKit plugin, you will be able to create sales funnel on your WooCommerce website. Here you will see the slide cart is available in the basic plan. If you go for plus plan, it will cost you only $179.5 per year and you can install it on 2 different websites and you will be able to use all these slide cart pro features. In-cart, upsell, milestone, base rewards, free shipping bar, free gift incentives and tiered discounts. So the plus plan is for the 2 websites. There are 2 more plans, professional and elite. If you want to see all the features of these plans, I'll give you the links in the description box. So let's go back to the website. Let's go to plugins. And here you will see that I have already installed the FunnelKit Funnel Builder Pro plugin. I'm going to activate this plugin. All right, so the pro version is activated. Let's go to FunnelKit and then go to cart. And here you will see an additional column besides the side cart. Let's go to upsells. And here you will see the settings for the upsell. Enable cart upsell, which is already enabled. And you will see display styles. There are 5 different styles. Style 1, you will see here. This is the style 1. This is style 2, style 3. The style 1 and style 2 are inside the side cart. If I go to style 3, you will see a column besides the side cart. So this is the style 3. Style 4 is at the bottom and style 5 is also at the bottom. I'm going to select style 3. All right, below that you will see product recommendation type, upsell and cross sell, or you can use both. So I'm going to select both. On your product, if you already have upsell and cross sell, it will show all those products here. Below that you will see heading, frequently bought together, you will see it here. So this is the heading for the upsell and cross sell. Show maximum upsell is set to 5. I'm going to make it 3. Right, then we have default upsell. Now if there is no upsell set up on any product, you can add a product which will be shown by default. So if I go back to the website, let's close this one and I'm going to add some jeans here. Let's search for the product. I'm going to add this one. All right, so I have 3 products here which will be shown by default. And if you want to show these products always, then you can enable this option. Always show the default upsells. So instead of displaying the upsell and cross-sell products from the products page itself, you can use a default upsells product. I'm going to enable that option. Here you will see upsells and cross-sells for all the products. View all 34 products. If I click on it, it is going to open all the 34 products and you can set up upsell and cross-sell for each product. So instead of going to each product manually, you can set up upsell and cross-sell products from here. Right here, I'm going to use the default upsell cross-sell products. All right, let's save it. Let's go back, refresh it. and open the side cart, and you will see upsell and cross-sell products which are set by default. Close it. Let's go back. Now let's go to rewards. I'm going to create a new reward. So click on create reward. Here we have free shipping, discount, and free gift. I'm going to select free gift. Okay. So at the top you will see we have additional option here, free gifts. Here you can set up a price, amount, let's say $500. So it is going to calculate the amount in the cart and it will display the message there. Add items worth, let's say 250 more to unlock the special gift. And what will be the special gift? I'm going to add a product. So that product will be offered as a free gift. So let's search for a product here. I'm just using some random product. All right, so this product will be offered as a free product. Right, if you want, you can also create multiple rewards. Here you will see an option to create another reward. This is the message after they'll unlock the reward. Then we have style settings for the reward. Let's save the settings and let's see how does this look. Let's go to website, refresh it, open the side cart, and you will see a reward is there. In this cart, we already have 580. So we have got the free gift, and you will see this is the free gift here. I'm going to reduce the price, and now you will see add items worth $50 more to unlock a special gift. So the free gift is not added. We need $50 more to get the free gift. I'm going to increase the quantity, and you will see the cart price is now more than $500, and we have got this free gift. So this is an additional feature that you can add to your side cart. Next to that, we have special add-ons. Let's go to special add-ons. The special add-on is already enabled. Pre-select add-on by default, which is also enabled. Selection type is set to toggle, and I'm going to add one product here. Let's say this is the product. Here I'm going to add product heading. Let's say anchor bracelet. Below that you can add the description of the product. So that product will be displayed here. If you want, you can create a new discounted product and you can display that product here. All right, now let's click on save. Let's go back to website. Let's refresh it. Open it and you will see the special add-on here. If they do not want to buy this product, they can disable it and that product will be removed from the cart. All right, by default it is selected. I can disable that option. Save it again. Let's go back, refresh it. Let's open the cart. Now you will see that product is not added by default to the cart. If the customer wants to add this product, they can enable it and that product will be added automatically. So it is a fully customizable side cart that you can add to your WooCommerce website. If you want all the features and if you also want to create a sales funnel on your WooCommerce website, you should definitely try using the pro version of this plugin. If you want to buy this plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can use my link. You will also get 14 days money back guarantee. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section and press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.